Today we're going to talk about indoor air quality and making sure that your system, your air conditioning system, is working efficiently. Something that a lot of folks don't think about is air loss that you might have between your attic and your house. I've been in homes before where the air conditioning register, which is the metal thing that's on the ceiling, will be sweating. That's not good. And there are some things as a homeowner that you can do, believe it or not, that can stop that. We've talked about it on our podcast, Fix It 101. Give us a listen sometime. Downloaded on any social media format. Fix It 101, Home Maintenance Tips Just for You podcast. When hot, humid air from your attic mixes with cold air coming out of your register, you will get condensation. You will get a rainstorm. I see this in older homes, and I actually had some friends who were having this problem, and I took my little tools over there and we got it fixed up for them. A product that we used that I dropped on the floor. I'll be right back. You know, the older I get, the harder it is to do that. A lot of folks know what duct tape is. Not that kind of duct. Duct tape. D-U-C-T-T-A-P-E. And it frustrates the ever-living hell out of me that this is put next to metal ducting at these big hardware stores. This product should never go on metal, but I see it all the time. The reason is that this is a cloth type tape, and when it gets wet, when it sweats, whenever you have ducting, metal ducting that's up in your attic, it will get cool. It will then begin to sweat, and this, which is holding the joints together, will come apart. So don't use this. Use this. I'm not real sure what you can use this for. If you're watching and you have ideas about what you can use duct tape for, let me know, because I've had this roll for 20 years. So I'm gonna get off my pedestal now, and let's talk about the proper tape to use to seal up the edges of where your registers are cut out in your ceiling. This is a 3M product. There are a lot of different manufacturers out there. The best thing about this tape is that it's gonna stick. If it sweats, it'll stick. Now, you need to clean off those registers before you stick it on there, or the edges, and I'm gonna show you how to do that here in a second, but I wanted to make sure that you get the right product. You can't rip this stuff, you gotta cut it. And then it's got a backing to it. So if I see that, they're very sticky. This stuff will seal up holes between the attic and your metal register boot. And that may sound like Greek to you right now, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna clean the metal before we put our tape on, because if you don't, it's just gonna come right off. And you can see the gaps here. Yeah. So what's happening is we're getting air transfer from the air conditioning. When it comes on, these things are raining water. And so we're gonna seal all this up and then put the register back on there. This little project does include getting on a ladder, so make sure you've got somebody there to hold that ladder, and that you're used to going up and down, because you're going to spend some time up there, because you don't want it to rain in your house, right? If you do, you got issues I can't help you with.